Day 17 of the 828 Fat Loss Challenge is Cledra, and today's topic is actually about my granny, my grandmother on my father's side. She loved beautiful roses, and I always have roses around me. I used to go with her when I was a kid. Sometimes she would put manure under all of her flowers, and I remember riding back with her one time. Imagine being in an unair-conditioned car with manure in it and a 6-year-old kid, that would be me. And I remember looking at her. She was just smiling with her arm out the window. And I was like, Granny, it stinks in here. And she looked at me with this big smile and she said, but we're on our way to make some beautiful roses. And I want to share that with you today to say that on our journey of weight loss, sometimes it stinks. Sometimes you put everything you have in this and that scale doesn't move. That stinks. Sometimes you are working your butt off and no one notices, not even you. That stinks. Sometimes there will be people who will not be able to handle the rose that you're in the process of creating, and the relationship will end. That stinks. But baby, we're on our way to making beautiful flowers. That's what my granny focused on, not that it stinks. And that's what I hope that this message will encourage you to focus on your journey. Have a wonderful day 17, and I'll see you tomorrow.